So here's the setup. Dawn's setting up here, and that's the back field, and then you got some bigger campers over there, and somebody's gonna be over there. You got a couple over there. So okay, so now let me feed you guys. Everybody wants to eat, so we need placemats. And that's Max's placemat. And here's Siri's placemat. And here's Lainey's placemat. Okay, we got hot water to put in their food. Okay. And stir it up. Let's see. Stirring it up. Okay. Okay, put this in the sink. Okay. So I thought that was Lainey's. Why does it still have kibbles in it? Alright, here's Lainey. Here's Max. And here's Siri. There you go. Okay. Mushrooms, I put steak, and a beer. Yeah, it's not for you, buddy. Maybe I'll save you some. Well, it's the end of,
They got me $2 million.
let me turn this down.
40 times more than the insurance offer. What's your case really worth? Call now and find out.
It's the end of today, pretty much. It's like, I don't know, 8:30, and yeah, we get up early for dog shows, so we go to bed early, like old people, right? Anyway, it was a long day, but it's not so bad because I'm sitting in my camper and I got like TV and bed and no problems because I'm like away, so I'm unavailable right now. That's what's great about going away camping. If you really want to call this camping, it's kind of glamping, I guess. But yeah. So anyway, I will video some more tomorrow at the show. Okay, so this is standard. Siri's only 4 years old, and so we still have some issues we're working through. You see how he's kind of a little slow coming down the contacts, but there he drops a bar on the spread jump. And here, I don't know what he was doing, but yeah, maybe he thought it was the weaves. I don't know, but he did this twice this whole weekend because that setup was kind of the same. And he ran by the teeter, so that was another fault. So he's got 2 faults at this point. And then here is another spread jump, the double oxer, and he dropped that one as well. So not a very good run for us, but he did some good things. Here's Max's run. Max is almost 12, and we have bar issues with Max. He just, he's fast as can be, and he doesn't really lift over the jumps. He's pretty efficient, but that makes for a lot of bars down. So here, he's very fast. He's still clean at this point. And boom, there goes the spread jump, same as with Siri. And he kept that panel up. And he kept that spread up. So just one bar, but otherwise nice run. Here's the pups all underneath Dawn's little table that she has outside. So it's usually Pixie's spot, but Pixie seems to be sharing her little spot with Lainey and with Max. So they're all kind of snuggled under the table, waiting for dinner, hoping for leftovers. Okay, this is our jumpers round for day 1. And it was big to little, so Siri's going first. Get a nice lead out. And boom, into the tunnel. It's clean. Jumping nice. Not as fast as Max in the weave pulls, but and he did really nice here on this line. Boom, clean run, yay. Okay, here's Max. Max's run in jumpers. A lot more bars that can come down. Oh, there's the first one on that turn to the tunnel. See how much faster he is in the poles. Kept him. Oh, there's another one. The turns are tough for him. That's when the bars usually come down. And did pretty good on that line. Good morning. Got pretty cold last night. I ended up turning on the heat, I don't know, around 6 o'clock this morning. It was okay when I was in bed with all the dogs, but yeah, this morning around 6 o'clock I turned on the heat. So anyway, I'm just gonna have my coffee and get a shower and fix this mess of hair and get ready for the show. So we'll do some filming. Hopefully we get a double Q today. That would be great. But yeah, I'm still not awake yet. I didn't have a good night's sleep. I kept kind of tossing and turning and thinking about stink bugs and I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I will drink my coffee, wake up a little bit, and then I'll take some video at the show. All right, see ya. Okay, so this was Friday night after the show. We had like a campers get together, potluck, cooking and grilling out on the grill and just chit-chatting with everybody out here. So that's the proprietor of the place. It's fun. How's it coming, Chef? Coming along?
It's breathing hard.
And what do we have on the grill?
Sausage, hot dogs, hamburgers.
Awesome. So this is the morning walk before the hike to get the dogs to go to the bathroom before they run. So there's one going. Lainey pooped this morning already. And yeah, we're gonna go in and run. And this is the beautiful field that's right by there that they didn't mow, so it's full of these beautiful daisies and buttercups, and I picked some for my table, put them in a glass jar. It was nice. This is inside the building, and I took a few candid shots. I thought this dog was cute looking through his mom's legs. It was adorable. Nice, nice. Awesome. Here's Max's run, and yeah, he runs so fast. Not a bad run, but we had an off course and a bar down. But you know, for 12 years old, and he's having fun. He loves it. It was a good surface for him to jump on. That was the first bar. I had to really push him out here. He didn't want to go out. But I got that blind in, and boom, there he goes off on the off course. I think he put 2 weaves together or something too there. This is Siri, and this is our standard run, which this is a double Q day. I was very happy about that. We're getting them now with him. Whoa, yeah, he didn't like this. Oh, I think this was... Yeah, he didn't like that at all. So this was a messy run. But, it was a Q, so, hey, I'll take it. Like they say, the agility gods, sometimes they... And you see how he goes past it again? He's going to the weaves, so she didn't call that. It was very close to a run out, but I got lucky. The agility gods were kind to me that day.
Which weaves?
Not bad on his dog walk. He didn't hesitate too long.
Yay!
There we go. It was a double Q day. Then we took some pictures. She always has a setup here where of some sort of a theme. Here's Max's run. I don't think this went well. I can't remember, but he did this little turn just fine. The table goes away in July, thank goodness. Oh, he kept that spread up. Bars were still up. Can't remember what happened here. Oh, he missed the weave entry. Oh well. Yeah, all the bars up and then misses a weave entry. Well, that's okay. He's a good boy.
Aria, Kakui, McGee, and Angus. Good job. Yay, there you go. Good job.
Go.
Ah, Siri. Aw. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Yay! This is a good try.
Well, so on my way home, I've got the camper dumped, and yeah, this hair needs washing. Hasn't been washed in, I don't know, 3 days. I washed it before I left on Thursday, so yeah, it was a good weekend. I mean, at least I got one double Q with Siri, and yeah, now I just need, I didn't have any Qs today, which kind of sucked. I had one Q on Friday. So we'll see. We'll just have to play it by ear. But anyway, yeah, long drive home and then unpack, and then next week I'm going to a state park.